have to handhold you because I don't know where my magnetic clip is. I think I left it at home. But I'm sure some of the issues that I ran into on Sunday filming with this DJI Action 3 were user error related. I didn't even know there was a dewarp mode. I didn't know there was an ultra wide mode. I didn't know like how to, yes, what happens when you go buy a camera, charge it in your truck, and immediately start filming dude skateboarding and playing on the violin and stuff. But I want to test this a little bit, and I've been seeing all the comments and seeing other videos about the focus issue. I went and shot Monday with it, and like, man, that footage was terrible looking. And I don't know, I can't 100% blame the camera because the conditions were terrible. It was a really bad rainy day, and even the GoPro 11 was struggling out there. The DJI looked terrible everywhere, but the GoPro just was out of focus in the foreground. At least the background was in focus. But the DJI, man, it looked like it was shot with the Barbie action camera or something. It was terrible looking. Unusable. I didn't even upload that video. I spent like 2 hours out there filming that. I never even uploaded it. I wonder if some of those focusing issues are dependent on what mode you're in. So right now we're on dewarp, and I want to see if this is in focus or not. I don't know. Alright, I think we're still on dewarped, but I'm hand holding it because I left my clip at home. Oh well, let me get into the shop here. Maybe I can download that footage and see if that's sharp at arm's length distance.
Do a TikTok dance.
I don't have a TikTok dance. It comes naturally when I'm ready to do it.
Okay, I've never heard of it before. I just saw some video and it's beautiful. I don't believe it does what it does, and that's it.
Steve, how do you feel about DJI's Action 3 camera?
Let me know. What's that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wish I had everything rolling earlier. There was a girl right at a major intersection between like highways walking into oncoming traffic with a bunch of people trying to chase her down. She was obviously not having a great day.
In 1 mile, turn left onto Wetmore Road.
Is this looking better than the GoPro or the DJI Action? If it's not, I'm gonna go join that girl that was walking headfirst into oncoming traffic earlier. Yeah, buying the A7S III was kind of an impulsive buy, but not really, because I've been wanting this camera forever. This has been my dream camera for 2 years, ever since it was really announced, and I just have not been able to find one in stock. So I just happened to check today, boom, Camera Exchange had one in stock. They worked out a great deal for me, and here we are. Welcome to the cinema.